Alright, so this tutorial is for people who already have side quest on their quest 2. So you're going to want to look up first go to settings. Yeah, that's it right there. Go to settings. You're going to side load this. Now I already side loaded it, but you're going to hit side load now. It says it works with quest 2, but it's not tested for quest 3 or 3S. Now, that being said, this tutorial is for Quest 2, but I'm going to have a friend try it out for Quest 3S because he has a 3S. And I'm going to put in the description if it also works for that. So after he tries it, because this tutorial is also for him to try it out. But I will put in the description if that works or not. So what we're also going to need to download is Chromium. So to do that, like I said, you're going to type in Chromium. And you can just type in Chrome, and it should be this one right here, Chromium. You sideload that one, boom. That's basically Google Chrome. It literally is Google Chrome, but it's a different, you know what I mean? It's open source Google Chrome. And so basically now you're going to type in Fortnite Android. And it's right there, Fortnite Android. And you're going to look up Fortnite Android. It's going to be right here. Fortnite, play on Android. Get it now with the Epic Games Store for mobile. Boom, install on Android. Download anyway, y'all. Download anyway. And then you hit open. You gotta hit open, and for your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So you gotta go to settings. You gotta do allow from this source. Hit install. It's gonna install it. You hit open. Get started. Okay, then you're gonna log in with your account. I'll switch over. I'll get logged in, and I'll let y'all know when I get back. Okay, now that we're logged in, you're gonna scroll down. Boom, there's Fortnite. Now for you, it's gonna say install, but for me, I've already installed it, so it's gonna say this. It's gonna have that logo right there with the cloud, and then you're just gonna install it, and then I'll show you what to do in the next step. Okay, so now that it's installed, downloaded, you're going to install it, and it's going to say Epic Games for your security, your phone, blah, blah, blah. So you're going to do the same thing as we did with Chromium, allow from this source, go back. Oh. Install. It might just pull up the installer for you. That's what it should have done, but it didn't for some reason. Okay, it installed. We're going to hit open. And what you want to do is stretch it out as quick as you can. Otherwise, it's going to do this. And it kind of glitches out. And then you got to wait for it to download. And so this is the part that takes a while. Okay, bet. Yeah, you're able to resize the screen just like that. Boom. Works out. So I'll let y'all know when this is done being downloaded fully, and we'll move on to the next step. But actually, one thing I forgot to mention, you will need an Xbox controller or some other kind of Bluetooth controller for this. You're not going to be able to use the Quest controllers. Okay, so after you're done, it'll have you log into your Epic Games account. You'll just hit that login button. You'll put in your information like you did before with the Epic Games Store. And then bada bing, bada boom, it's going to say connecting. It's going to load up. And it's going to start working. So now once you get into Fortnite, you might have this error where when you start to play a game, it'll say, unable to run Fortnite while USB debugging is active. Please disable developer mode and restart Fortnite. Okay. So, to fix that, that's why we got that Go To Settings app that I was talking about before. So we're going to go to the Go To Settings app, scroll all the way down to About Headset, go all the way down to Build Number, build number, and you're going to hit this a bunch of times, and it's going to put you in developer mode. For me, it says no need, you're already a developer. Okay, then you're going to go back, go to system, go to developer options, and then you're going to scroll all the way down till you see USB debugging, and you can deactivate that, or you can deactivate developer options altogether. And then reopen Fortnite. And like I said, you're going to want to stretch it out at the beginning, because otherwise you'll get this glitch where it's just a little tiny screen up there. As soon as you open it, you're going to want to stretch it out. And I messed it up again. But let's see if it fixes itself. Sometimes it'll fix itself, but nope. So yeah, you want to stretch it out as soon as you can. Normally when I have controllers, I'm able to do it. Okay, there we go. I think I did it that time. Yep. You'll stretch it out as quick as you can, and then it'll let you do it in like a landscape mode. It'll load up, and then I will show you that it's going to actually load me into a game. And I don't have my Xbox controller in here, so it's going to show that I'm using touchscreen controls, but normally you would just connect your Bluetooth controller and that would work. You cannot use the Quest controllers. They do not work. But yeah, okay, let's see. I'm going to load into a game. Play. And you'll see that it is not going to give me that error again. It's just going to load right in. And you'll see up there that it does say that we are playing on mobile. And so it is going to most likely put you with mobile players. It's going to prefer you with mobile players. If you're playing solos and a bunch of other people are playing solos on mobile, it's most likely going to put you with a bunch of people playing solos on mobile. So that's what's going to be happening right now. And you will see that graphics quality is not very good, but it is playable, and you know, there are some frame drops here and there, but you know, the Quest 2 is not necessarily meant to be playing games like this. It's meant to be playing VR games, which are a lot smaller and less demanding than a lot of games. I know this is a mobile game, you know what I mean, but still, same thing. Also, I stopped the video, but here we are back again, and as you can see, I am in Fortnite Mobile. I can thank the bus driver here. I can jump, play with the freaking the touchscreen controls. That's actually kind of funny. I'm gonna try to catch a dub with the touchscreen controls. Catch a dub with the touchscreen controls in VR. I'll do it like I'm playing on a giant tablet. I wonder if I can do that. No, I can't. No. I cannot do that. My fucking umbrella doesn't have a texture. But yeah, as you can see, it is running pretty good for also being, you know, recording at the same time. But yeah, I'm definitely not catching a dub. I'm definitely not going to be doing anything really. But yeah, I'm just going to end the video now. I hope y'all enjoyed how to play Fortnite Mobile on the Quest 2. See ya.